3 raised to the power x plus 1 plus 3 raised to the power x plus 2 equals 12. We are going to find the value of x now. We are going to apply the law of exponents now. A raised to the power m plus n equals a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. So 3 raised to the power x plus 1 can be written as 3 raised to the power x into 3 raised to the power 1. 3 raised to the power x plus 2 can be written as 3 raised to the power x into 3 squared equals 12. Since we have 3 power x on both the terms, we are going to take that out now. So 3 raised to the power x into 3 raised to the power 1 plus 3 squared equals 12. In place of 3 raised to the power 1, we are going to write 3. And in place of 3 squared, we are going to write 9. So 3 raised to the power x into 3 plus 9 equals 12. So 3 raised to the power x into 3 plus 9 is 12 equals 12. If you transpose 12 on the other side, it will be 12 by 12. If you cancel that, you will get 1. In order to find the value of x, we need to make the bases same so that we can compare the powers. But we have 1 here. We know anything raised to the power 0, the value is 1. So in place of 1, we are going to replace 3 power 0 because anything raised to the power 0, the value is 1. So 3 raised to the power x equals 3 power 0. We have bases same. So we can compare the powers now. X equals 0. So we have found the value of x now. Now let's verify that by substituting the value of x in the question. So in place of x, we are going to substitute 0. So 3 raised to the power 0 plus 1 plus 3 raised to the power 0 plus 2. So 3 raised to the power 1 plus 3 squared. 3 raised to the power 1 is 3 and 3 squared is 9. 3 plus 9 is 12, which equals the right hand side. Thank you so much for watching this video.